Welcome to my basement. Over the years, it's become the dumping ground for everything we didn't know where to put. But today, that is going to change because this is the beginning of the biggest DIY project I've ever attempted. I'm going to transform this space into the entertaining basement we've always dreamed of. I've never finished a basement before, but my goal is to finish the entire thing for less than $20,000. And if I can pull this off, we'll save tens of thousands of dollars, but before I can build anything, I have to tackle this mess. We are on project Let's Clean This Basement Up. We are going to start finishing our basement, which I'm extremely excited about, but our basement currently is a mess, as you can see. It has kind of been the catch-all for, when the kids grow out of toys or out of clothes or whatever the case may be, it all ends up just being put in the basement, which we no longer can do. So you're going to see me create piles. This is definitely going to be a, video where you're gonna see me go by really fast. This is gonna take forever though, I feel like, but what I feel, it's gonna take forever for me physically, personally, but for you guys, it will, you'll see it clean in like 10 minutes probably. So if you enjoy videos where you get to see a mess and then clean up and it looks nice, then this video is for you. If not, this video probably is not for you. But I wanted to show the reality of, start to finish for the basement remodel, which means, or like the basement finishing because it's not finished, which means that you are going to see what it is current state versus what it is at the very end in a whole bunch of different episodes. So this is to kick off the series. So my thought process through all of this is I'm going to create a trash pile, a sell pile, and a donate pile, and then a like keep pile. And that keep pile is going to go over on this side where it's all going to get organized. And that's because that area we are not finishing. We're going to just put a wall there, and that's going to be the unfinished area for all the storage that we need within the basement. So that's also where we're going to be, housing all the tools and putting everything that we need to actually finish the basement so that the rest of the area that is actually being finished is quite clean is my goal, so that there's not a whole bunch of stuff in the way and we're able to get things done as quickly as we're able to get them done. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy. This is hopefully going to be a relaxing video. You can relax and see the nightmare into the calm. Can you tell I'm like, what have I got myself into? Is this ever going to be done? This is, you can tell I'm wearing something completely different now, and that's because we are 2 weeks away from when I originally started this. It's just been so overwhelming that I'm having a hard time convincing myself to come back and do this. I know it needs to get done. The light is somewhat at the end of the tunnel, but not really. As you can see behind me, it doesn't look like it's much cleaner. And that's because things are in piles. So I will show you the specific piles, but over here I have a trash pile. Over here is the donate pile, and then behind that is the sell pile. And then over in like the chair area, that is the keep pile. So things are coming along, but oh my gosh, like, is this ever going to get done? I'm going to be so happy when this is all done, but it's going to be so many more hours of work. I'm just already exhausted. So if you are, you know, just moving into your house or whatever the case may be, and you have a basement, don't treat your basement as a catch-all for 3 years, because that's what we have been doing, and now I have major regrets. Major regrets. Okay, let's get back into it. All right.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better.
Alright, the main things are basically organized now. So what I'm going to do now is take all the things that need to be donated, and I'm going to put them into trash bags. And then I'm going to put them in the truck, and we're going to donate that today. And then the rest of the stuff I'm going to move up into the garage, because we are going to have a yard sale or garage sale to try to sell all these things. And then, well, actually I'll probably keep this stuff down here for now because I don't know when we'll be able to have a garage sale. So I will likely just take pictures of everything and post it onto Marketplace or something of that nature, and see how much I can sell that way. And then whatever doesn't sell, probably put in a garage sale. I've changed because I'm about to get really hot moving all these things upstairs, like a million bajillion stairs. So we're going to do that, and then that should clear up a lot of space. The other stuff that is trash, so the trash pile, the dump's not open today, and I don't think it's open tomorrow. So we plan on putting that stuff in the truck and getting that out of here once the dump is open. So we're starting to get things, or things will start to get cleared out of here, which is very exciting, and then it will be done. So here we go.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
goodness, this was so much work, but we are like 90% there. I just have a few more things that I need to clean up, but this looks 100% better than what it used to. So let me show you what it looks like right now. You will see in the next upcoming video what my inspiration is and what it looks like now versus what it will look like when we're all done. Fingers crossed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely a different one, right? It was more of like a hoarder's cleanup situation going on instead of a, DIY, let's make this house look nice. I guess it was still kind of making the house look nice. I don't know, but definitely a different video than what I have been doing. So anyway, I appreciate you as always. If you've watched multiple of my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you doing that. And I hope that maybe encourages you to subscribe. Anyway, I hope you have a luxurious day as always, but keep it on the low. Bye guys!